This is the interactive asset randomization script that I wrote to make new variations. It lets you sync the asset with its surrounding volume, in this case with walls. You can make an exception list to avoid any unwanted result. For example, this mesh ignores any mesh with glass tag. If I clear the list, randomization process will change. There is also a randomization button. In this workflow, you can make tons of assets with less mesh subsets. If you are happy with the result, you can turn off auto sync, so you can keep the result and move freely. It also turns off volume snapping. And that was it. Thanks for watching.